Have you ever wondered how to get the insanely high risk to reward trades that you see people post on social media? Well, actually, it's not that complicated. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how it's done. What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Jonathan. I am a professional crypto and forex trader, and this is the RLZ trading channel where we help you simplify your path to trading greatness. Today we're going to look at Euro USD, and I'm going to break down a trade for you where I use a top-down analysis to look for a swing trade, but I get a sniper entry, a scalp entry. So basically what this is, a scalp trade based on the entry, but the take profit is much higher based on swing targets. And this, in my opinion, is the best way of getting the very high risk to reward trades. So we have a good looking trend on Euro USD. We're on the 4-hour right here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool here to find the RLZ, the reload zone. There you have the reload zone. And you can see that you have a pretty good looking horizontal level right here. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be adding an alert right on this blue level. So let's say you now have an alert on this blue level. You know that this is a high time frame support level, and that support level is confluent with the reload zone. And not only is it confluent with the reload zone, it's actually in perfect confluence with the 0.702, which is the midpoint of the reload zone. Now that we've done the analysis on the 4-hour, we're going to go into the lower time frames and look at price actually reaching that target. So this is now on the 5-minute, and we're going to be playing price. We're going to be playing forward right here, and we're going to be waiting for that hit of that level. Now we know that this is the CPI numbers coming out here, so we have an insane wick right here. And I actually traded this live in the Fiverr's live trading room. So for those of you who don't know, I work for a proprietary trading firm called the Fiverr's, and I host a live trading show every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on their YouTube channel. You can check out the link in the description below if you want to sign up to that. And I also have a discount code if you want to get a discount on their trading programs, 10% discount. You can find that in the link in the description below. If you go into my trading community is completely free. I share trade ideas and trade signals from the indicator. And if you want to see more videos like this and more trades like this being broken down, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and join the community. Right. Okay, so the lower time frames, we now saw on the 5-minute that we had this level being hit. So we now know that price is within a high time frame level right here. So now that we have price within this high time frame level, we want to zoom in to the lower time frames to look for a bullish break in structure. Why do we want a bullish break in structure? Well, because we are going long. And what does a bullish break in structure looks like? Very simple. This is a downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. A bullish break of structure is when the price action is breaking the structure by creating something like perhaps a double bottom, but more importantly, higher highs and higher lows. That's a bullish break of structure. That's what we want to see on the lower time frame. Now let's remember, we started with a swing trading perspective on the 4-hour. We looked for a good level. Now we hit that level, and we are now switching modes into scalping mode, or trading on the lower time frames to look for that bullish break of structure to confirm our entry. And this is how you get these sniper entries. And then we're going to be basing the targets on a swing trade. So you get a sniper entry with a tight stop loss, and the target is way higher. So yeah, let's see if we can get that bullish break in structure here. We're going to continue forward here, and what we see now on the 1-minute is a W structure. I love my double bottoms. That W structure, we got a break above the neckline of the W. What we're looking for now is for price to hit this resistance area above. And by the way, I did, like I said, I traded this live, so you can just go back and look at the Fiverr's YouTube channel and the live trading room, and you will see how I entered this trade live for you all. So I put limit orders on the break and retest on the possible break of that neckline of the W. Stop loss is going to be below the lows of that W. Now for the target of this move, you have two options. The obvious target is going to be these highs here. And by the way, this was the news driven move. This was CPI, right? So one way of taking profits would be at these highs right here, because it kind of makes sense, right? You hit a high time frame level, then come up and kind of retrace the whole move that the news created. But what I'm looking for, I'm not looking for a 4-hour trade. A 4-hour trade is great, but I'm looking for a very high risk to reward trade. What I do in that case is I go back to the 4-hour and I ask myself for a swing trade. If I enter a trade like this, if I enter here here and my stop loss is down here, where would my TP here be? Well, the TP would be at the last local highs, the FTA, the first trouble area on the 4 hour. That would be my swing trade, a nice 3R trade as a swing trade. Now look what happens if we use that target for our scalp entry, because it's pretty much the same. We enter in the same area as our swing trade, but we're confirming this on the lower time frames with a break of structure, and we're using that low of that break of structure as our stop loss area, which means it's pretty much the same thing, but we're more actively looking to enter on confirmation on the lower time frames. We now have the entry, we have the stop loss set, we have the TP set. Now let's look what happens here. Okay, this is what happens. Absolutely crazy. Okay, look at this. There you go. That's the trade. 7.7R trade. Very, very high risk to reward trade, and it's actually not too complicated. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this one where I'm breaking down a trade like this one. And don't forget to join the community. It's now completely free. You will gain access to not only my trades, but also the signals from the RLZ slingshot indicator and lots of nice exclusive offers within the trading community. Check the link in the description below. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.